Yeah, look, y'all know me on this bit for making rap videos and, doing a little music thing. So this is just a little freestyle I wrote off the paper, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was just thinking about some shit. Like, look. They say only the strong survive. And yeah, that's true. I had a lot of shit on my plate that I had to get through. My partners done turned on me. Them hoes done left me lonely. I thought they was real, but they was really phony. Ain't nobody send me a text or give me a call when I was down bad on my ass all on my lonely. I had was my pride and my self-respect and the man up above. They did me down bad like Judas had did Jesus. And all I try to do was feed them. These niggas ungrateful. These bitches ungrateful. So I just play them close and say a prayer for him later. Mama, she birthed me. The OGs that raised me told me never let a nigga play me. No matter how big, no matter how tall, you better fight, and if you don't win, get it. And again, I never did stop. I never did give up. And for all you niggas say that I lost all hope and faith, nigga, motherfucker. Gotta do what I gotta do just to get it. Never hate, wait your turn. Never hate on no nigga. Yo, I gotta do what I gotta do to get it just to make it. I just say a prayer at night, hoping that I make it through the night. Father God, please guide me and protect me, cause I feel something funny. I feel it in the air, Beanie Siegel, nigga, I'm feeling funny. Something in my stomach, I don't feel right. Something ain't right. I'm praying at night. I can't sleep at night because it seems like my days getting longer, my nights getting darker, these niggas getting phonier, these women turning state, these women turning fake, these niggas turning fake. Who to trust, I don't know. Damn, I'm just sitting down as I pray. I pray every moment. I pray for every hour. Father God, please let me see. Don't let me be stupid and don't let me be a coward. Fear now, man. Only fear the man above. Never wait on no nigga. Nigga, get it out the mud. Get it off the floor. Get up off your ass. Make a crumb. Turn into a motherfucking hole. You understand? Nigga, if I ain't got a dollar in my pocket, I'ma try to make something out of nothing. Do you understand that? You understand my talk? I'm a New Orleans nigga. I come from the city where it get down and lay down, and that's the model, nigga. Where I come from, you wouldn't last, nigga. Where I come from, you don't make it past the age of 25, nigga. It's real. In Louisiana, they really got them killers. They really about their business and they really ain't playing with no nigga. So if a nigga talk, let him talk it out his mouth, cause he talking out his asshole. What the fuck that nigga talking about? The shit that he talking, man, it don't seem right. Them niggas that he hanging with, they don't seem right. That bitch that says, man, that hoe she ain't right. She fucking on the low when he kiss her in the mouth and he call her his wife and he say he love her, but that bitch not right. So I don't trust them. No, I don't love them. Just fuck them and I duck them. Aggravated with it, but you leave stuck with them. I'm listening to Magnolia Chop. Love don't live here anymore. Bitch, bye-bye, cause love don't live here no more. She blowing up the phone. She texting on the phone. My ex bitch, she know who I'm talking about. She won't leave me alone. She all on my Insta. I just blocked off my Insta. Bitch really got shit, really got critical. Blocked the one, she found another way on. Ho, go, gone, go ahead. Go with your old man on. I guess she missed that loving. I guess she missed that loving. She missed the way I fucked her. But no, she ain't getting none of this dick, bitch. Go ahead about your business. Them niggas, man, I thought they was my niggas, but they really wasn't riding with me. Them niggas wasn't my rounds to begin. Them niggas wasn't really fucking with me. They fucking with them niggas that I don't fuck with. You hanging with too many niggas that I don't trust shit. I don't really trust. Yeah, that trust shit get you killed. Yeah, that love shit get you killed. All that shit you don't need. All you need is the man above, nigga, in your grind, in your hustle, nigga, stay about your business, and them niggas, motherfucker. Yeah. I'm out.